Welcome to the next essential step in your journey to secure your legacy. In this video, we're diving into the how of updating your estate plan, an important but often overlooked part of financial planning. If you've ever wondered what happens after drafting your estate documents, or how to make sure your plan stays current with life's changes, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step to make sure your intentions, whether they involve loved ones, cherished possessions, or personal wishes, are fully protected. From updating beneficiary designations to understanding tax implications and working closely with legal professionals, this guide will help you keep your estate plan rock solid. So, grab a pen and get ready to build a future where your wishes are honored exactly as you envision. Let's get started! Steps to take when updating your estate plan. Updating your estate plan is a crucial task that ensures your wishes are accurately reflected and your assets are properly distributed. Below are the essential steps to consider when updating your estate plan. Review your current estate plan. Start by examining your existing estate plan documents, including your will, trusts, powers of attorney, and healthcare directives. Verify if they still align with your current goals, preferences, and life circumstances. 2. Update beneficiary designations. Check the beneficiaries listed on your retirement accounts, life insurance policies, and other financial assets. Make sure they are up to date and reflect your current intentions. 3. Assess your assets and liabilities. Take stock of your assets, such as real estate, investments, and personal property, and evaluate any outstanding debts or liabilities. This information will help you determine how you want your assets distributed and if any adjustments are needed. 4. Consider changes in family dynamics. Evaluate any changes in your family structure, such as marriages, divorces, births, or deaths. These events may impact how you want to distribute your assets among your loved ones. 5. Update your will and trusts. If you wish to make changes to your beneficiaries, assets, or estate distribution plan, you need to update your will and trusts accordingly. Be sure to consult with an attorney to ensure these documents comply with current laws and reflect your intentions accurately. 6. Review powers of attorney and healthcare directives. Your powers of attorney and healthcare directives designate individuals to make financial and medical decisions on your behalf if you become incapacitated. Ensure these documents are current and that the designated agents are still appropriate choices. 7. Consider tax implications. Changes in tax laws may impact your estate plan. Consult with a tax professional or estate planning attorney to understand any potential tax consequences of your estate planning decisions and how to minimize tax liabilities. 8. Communicate your wishes. Once you have updated your estate plan, it's essential to communicate your wishes with your loved ones and key individuals involved in executing your plan. Clear communication can help avoid confusion and conflicts in the future. 9. Regularly review and update your estate plan. Life is constantly changing, so it's crucial to regularly review and update your estate plan to ensure it remains relevant and reflects your current circumstances and desires. By following these steps and seeking professional guidance when needed, you can ensure that your estate plan is up to date and effectively carries out your wishes when the time comes. Drafting and executing legal documents for the updated estate plan. Updating your estate plan involves the crucial step of drafting and executing legal documents that accurately reflect your wishes and protect your assets. This process requires careful consideration and attention to detail. In this section, we will delve into the key aspects of drafting and executing legal documents for your updated estate plan. 1. Consulting with professionals. Before you start the process of updating your estate plan, it is essential to consult with professionals such as estate planning attorneys, financial advisors, and tax experts. These professionals can provide valuable guidance on the legal requirements and implications of updating your estate plan. 2. Identifying your objectives. The first step in drafting legal documents for your updated estate plan is to clearly identify your objectives. Consider who you want to inherit your assets, who you want to appoint as beneficiaries, and any specific instructions you want to include in your estate plan. 3. Choosing the right documents. Depending on your specific needs and objectives, the legal documents required for your updated estate plan may include a will, trust documents, powers of attorney, healthcare directives, and beneficiary designations. Your estate planning attorney can help you determine which documents are necessary to achieve your goals. 4. Drafting the documents. Once you have identified your objectives and chosen the right documents, your estate planning attorney will draft the legal documents for your updated estate plan. These documents should be carefully worded to accurately reflect your wishes and comply with relevant laws and regulations. 5. Reviewing and revising. It is important to carefully review the draft legal documents before finalizing them. Make sure that all the details are accurate, including the names of beneficiaries, the distribution of assets, and any specific instructions. If any revisions are needed, discuss them with your attorney to ensure that the documents accurately reflect your wishes. 6. Executing the documents. After finalizing the legal documents for your updated estate plan, you will need to execute them in accordance with state laws. This typically involves signing the documents in the presence of witnesses and a notary public to ensure their validity and enforceability. 7. Storing and updating. Once your legal documents are executed, it is important to store them in a safe and accessible place. Make sure that your loved ones know where to find these documents in the event of your incapacity or passing. Additionally, remember to review and update your estate plan regularly to account for any changes in your circumstances or wishes. Drafting and executing legal documents for your updated estate plan is a critical step in ensuring that your assets are protected and your wishes are carried out. By consulting with professionals, identifying your objectives, choosing the right documents, carefully drafting and executing the documents, and regularly reviewing and updating your estate plan, you can achieve peace of mind knowing that your legacy is secure. Communicating changes to family members and beneficiaries. Communicating changes to family members and beneficiaries is a crucial aspect of updating your estate plan to ensure transparency and prevent any potential misunderstandings or disputes in the future. Effective communication can help manage expectations, clarify intentions, and demonstrate respect for the wishes and concerns of all involved parties. When informing family members and beneficiaries about updates to your estate plan, it is important to approach the conversation with sensitivity and clarity. Here are some key points to consider when communicating changes. Timing. Choose an appropriate time to discuss the changes with your family members and beneficiaries. It is advisable to have these conversations well in advance of any major life events or health issues to ensure that everyone is aware of your wishes. 2. Transparency. Be open and honest about the reasons behind the updates to your estate plan. Explain any changes in your circumstances, goals, or priorities that have prompted the revisions. Transparency can help build trust and alleviate concerns. 3. Clarity. Clearly explain the specific changes that have been made to your estate plan, including any modifications to beneficiaries, assets, or distribution instructions. Provide a detailed overview of how these changes may impact each individual involved. 4. Seek input. Encourage family members and beneficiaries to ask questions and share their thoughts or concerns about the updated estate plan. This can help address any misunderstandings or conflicts early on and provide an opportunity for mutual understanding. 5. Professional guidance. If necessary, involve a legal advisor or estate planning professional in the conversation to provide additional clarity and ensure that all legal requirements are met. Their expertise can help facilitate a smoother communication process and address any complex legal issues. 6. Documentation. Provide written documentation of the updated estate plan to family members and beneficiaries for their reference. This can help avoid confusion and serve as a formal record of your intentions. 7. Follow-up. After discussing the changes, follow up with family members and beneficiaries to address any lingering questions or concerns. Reassure them that their feedback is valued and that you are committed to ensuring a fair and transparent estate planning process. By proactively communicating changes to family members and beneficiaries, you can promote understanding, trust, and harmony within your family, while ensuring that your estate plan accurately reflects your wishes and priorities. Regularly reviewing and monitoring your estate plan for further updates. Regularly reviewing and monitoring your estate plan is a crucial aspect of ensuring that it remains current and aligned with your wishes and circumstances. Without periodic reviews, your estate plan may become outdated and fail to reflect changes in your life, such as births, deaths, marriages, divorces, or changes in financial situations. To avoid potential complications and ensure that your estate plan effectively carries out your intentions, it is important to implement a regular review process. Here are some key considerations for regularly reviewing and monitoring your estate plan. Annual review. Schedule an annual review of your estate plan to reassess your goals, financial situation, and family dynamics. This ensures that your plan remains up to date and reflects any changes that may have occurred during the year. 2. Life events. Be proactive in reviewing your estate plan following significant life events, such as the birth of a child or grandchild, marriage, divorce, or the death of a family member. These events can have a substantial impact on your estate plan and may necessitate updates to beneficiary designations, guardianship provisions, or asset distribution. 3. Changes in assets and liabilities. Monitor changes in your assets and liabilities, including investments, real estate, and debts. These fluctuations may require adjustments to your estate plan to ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes and in a tax-efficient manner. 4. Tax law changes. Stay informed about changes in tax laws that may affect your estate plan, such as updates to estate tax exemptions or deductions. Consult with a legal or financial advisor to assess the impact of these changes on your plan and make any necessary adjustments. 5. Healthcare directives. Review your healthcare directives, such as a living will or healthcare power of attorney, to ensure that your wishes regarding medical treatment and end-of-life care are accurately reflected. Discuss your preferences with your loved ones and healthcare providers to ensure that they are aware of your wishes. 6. Executor and trustee designations. Regularly review your choice of executor, trustee, and other fiduciaries named in your estate plan. Ensure that these individuals are still willing and able to fulfill their roles and responsibilities, and consider appointing alternate individuals if necessary. 7. Communication. Openly communicate with your family members and beneficiaries about your estate plan and any updates you make. Clear communication can help prevent misunderstandings or disputes in the future and ensure that your wishes are carried out as intended. By regularly reviewing and monitoring your estate plan, you can proactively address changes in your life and maintain an effective plan that protects your assets and provides for your loved ones. Consider seeking guidance from a qualified estate planning attorney or financial advisor to assist you in the review process and make any necessary updates to your estate plan. Addressing any legal or financial concerns that arise during the updating process. When updating your estate plan, it is essential to address any legal or financial concerns that may arise during the process. This ensures that your wishes are accurately reflected and that your assets are protected according to your intentions. Here are some key considerations to keep in mind when navigating legal and financial concerns during the updating process. Reviewing existing documents. Start by carefully reviewing your existing estate planning documents, including your will, trust, powers of attorney, and healthcare directives. This will help you identify any outdated provisions or conflicts that need to be addressed in the updates. 2. Consulting with legal professionals. It is highly recommended to seek guidance from legal professionals, such as estate planning attorneys or financial advisors, when updating your estate plan. They can provide valuable insights and ensure that your plan complies with current laws and regulations. 3. Updating beneficiary designations. Make sure to review and update beneficiary designations on accounts such as retirement plans, life insurance policies, and investment accounts. Failing to update these designations can result in unintended consequences and lead to disputes among beneficiaries. 4. Addressing tax implications. Changes in tax laws and regulations may impact your estate plan. Consult with a tax professional to understand any potential tax implications of your updates and explore strategies to minimize tax liabilities for your beneficiaries. 5. Protecting assets. Consider incorporating asset protection strategies into your estate plan to safeguard your wealth from potential creditors, lawsuits, or other risks. This may involve setting up trusts or structuring your assets in a way that provides increased protection. 6. Planning for incapacity. In addition to addressing end-of-life considerations, make sure your estate plan includes provisions for incapacity planning. This may involve establishing durable powers of attorney, healthcare proxies, and living wills to ensure that your interests are protected in the event of incapacity. 7. Addressing family dynamics. Take into account any family dynamics or relationships that may impact your estate plan. Consider including provisions to address potential conflicts or disagreements among family members, and ensure that your wishes are communicated clearly. By addressing these legal and financial concerns during the estate planning update process, You can create a comprehensive and effective plan that reflects your current circumstances and priorities. Remember to review your estate plan periodically to ensure that it remains aligned with your goals and objectives. As you reflect on updating your estate plan, remember, this isn't just about paperwork or legal technicalities. It's about crafting a legacy that will impact the lives of those you love and the causes you care about long after you're gone. By taking these steps, thoughtfully reviewing, updating, and communicating your wishes, you're giving your family the gift of clarity and peace of mind in times that matter most. Life is constantly evolving, and an updated estate plan means you're prepared for whatever comes next, ready to protect and provide for those who matter most. So, take this time to make sure your legacy aligns with who you are today and the values you hold dear. Embrace this journey of planning with purpose, knowing you're building something truly meaningful, something lasting. Thank you for taking this vital step in securing a future that honors your intentions, today, tomorrow, and always.